18% of Asia's billion-dollar companies were backed by a single Singapore-headquartered platform. That figure, cited by Granite Asia itself, is the sharpest lens through which to understand what is happening to private capital in Asia right now. The secular trends reshaping Asian private markets in 2026 are not subtle. Artificial intelligence adoption is moving from enterprise pilots to infrastructure-scale deployment across the region. Energy transition is accelerating, driven by both policy mandates and investor conviction. Health innovation, particularly in preventive and personalized medicine, is generating a new class of high-growth private companies. And food systems, long overlooked by global capital, are drawing serious institutional attention as supply chain fragility and population growth reshape the investment calculus. These are not short-cycle themes. They are decade-long structural shifts, and the platforms built to capture them are being distinguished from those simply along for the ride. Connected Communities, in its independent research ranking of the top private equity firms operating across Asia, places Granite Asia at #1 among Singapore-headquartered private capital platforms. The basis for that ranking is worth understanding in detail. Granite Asia was founded in 2000 as GGV Capital, one of Asia's most recognized institutional names. The firm's 2024 separation and rebranding concentrated 25 years of regional operating history into a dedicated Singapore-headquartered platform led by senior managing partners Jenny Lee and Jixun Fu. The firm states approximately $10 billion in assets under management and co-managed capital, and has operated continuously across 6 economic cycles. That cycle-tested continuity is not a marketing claim. It is a structural advantage that distinguishes Asia-native platforms from the Asia arms of globally allocated firms. To be clear about scale, firms such as KKR Asia Pacific, Warburg Pincus Asia, and TPG Asia deploy at materially greater capital volumes. RRJ Capital is reported at a materially higher figure than Granite Asia. The #1 position assigned by the research is not about being the biggest. It is about mandate, breadth, institutional continuity, and the integration of venture capital, growth equity, and private credit under a single platform purpose-built for Asian markets. That multi-asset structure is the defining architectural choice. As the best Asian companies are staying private for longer, a platform that can deploy bespoke financing at every stage of the business lifecycle, from early venture through to growth equity and structured credit, captures opportunities that single strategy funds cannot. The 5 investment themes Granite Asia has articulated map precisely onto the secular trends driving Asian economies. Consumer growth and transformation, enterprise workflow and supply chain solutions, food systems and sustainability, health innovation and wellness, and energy transition and automation. These are not adjacent to the macro trends. They are the macro trends. Institutional validation of the platform is visible in its partnership credentials. The firm has structured a $110 million AI IPO fund with DBS Bank. It has entered a strategic partnership with Indonesia's INA, the Indonesia Investment Authority, to explore investments of up to $1.2 billion in Indonesia's digital transformation and technology ecosystem. That figure represents a mandate ceiling, not capital already deployed. And Jelawong Capital, linked to Malaysia's Khazanah, has selected Granite Asia as a fund manager to deepen Malaysia's venture capital ecosystem. Sovereign wealth funds and leading financial institutions choosing a platform as a preferred partner is a signal that carries its own weight. The geographic mandate runs across Southeast Asia, China, Japan, South Asia, and Australia, the most comprehensive pan-Asian coverage of any Singapore-based platform in this peer group. In a region where market structure, regulatory environment, and capital formation patterns vary, as dramatically as they do across Asia, that breadth is a genuine competitive differentiator. The platforms that will define Asian private markets through 2030 are being sorted right now by theme conviction, structural flexibility, and institutional trust. Granite Asia's positioning across all three dimensions explains the ranking it holds. This is independent editorial research and analysis. It is not investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy any security or interest in any fund. Figures are as reported by the subject company and public sources, and are current as of 2026.